Melton Technologies' Horizon software suite allows your company to manage drivers, trucks, trailers, and shipments more efficiently. Horizon makes scheduling and planning easy with new features built to see your dispatch process through from start to finish effortlessly. Let's take a look at the complete Horizon software suite. Follow the truck to see how far you've progressed in the demo. The home screen dashboard gives you instant real-time access to the KPIs that matter to you. Those key performance indicators can be shared with important key stakeholders to show any progress made or needed. The Horizon web menu includes shortcuts to the dashboard, dispatch, billing, settlements, master files, reports, settings, and help. In this Horizon web demo, you are one of the first to preview our new dispatch screens, designed to give access to all of your dispatch functionality in one easy on-the-eyes screen. The load board, seen here, offers a list of all of the shipments based on active loads filtering. When I click on the green plus button, we can see the details about the shipment and add additional information by selecting the buttons at the bottom. We can filter this list using this drop-down menu here at the top. This allows us to look at all of the assigned loads. We can also sort each column in descending or ascending order. There is a search function where we can type in any characters and it will find all of the records that contain those characters in them. When done, we can just clear the search. Now let's look at pickup, delivery, billing, and making a driver assignment. Watch as we enter a customer, first by selecting the shipper, and then we can select the date and enter any other information that is needed, such as a pickup number and special instructions. Now watch as we enter in the billing information. This bill requires a fuel surcharge, so let's add that in now. And now we'll enter the product in for this billing instance. Save this load assignment once the billing customer has been selected. Now assign the driver, fill in the tractor and trailer, click Assign and Calculate to save the assignment and calculate the miles. It's that easy. A brand new feature to Horizon Web is the ability to expand or collapse all views with the click of one button. You can mark one check call or all check calls. I'm going to mark them all, and then it asks if I'm sure that I want to mark them, and I'm going to say OK. We do offer you that extra layer of security. This process is for manual dispatch when no tablet is being used. We can now see that all have been completed. The buttons there at the bottom allow you to undeliver, complete all, and clone. The clone load option allows you to create a new load just like this one. Is there anything worse than staring at spreadsheets all day trying to find which driver has the bandwidth in their schedule to fill a certain trip? We've taken the pain and long hours out of scheduling with this simple drag and drop new VIP scheduler. VIP stands for Virtual Interactive Planner. We can see what has already been assigned to a driver in green. The items in black that can't be edited are already completed. I'm going to assign a load to a driver by clicking the date box for the driver that I want to use. You can assign multiple loads as long as they don't overlap each other's dates. This is a 4-day load, so you'll see that it shows from the 21st to the 25th. When you hover the mouse over a date, watch as it shows you the pickup and delivery details. You can also assign a load to a different driver or a different day. Watch me drag this one over here, and it will change the pickup date. I can also take a load from one driver and put it on to another driver. You can change the order of the loads, and we can calculate miles to generate new check call miles based on the change in assignment. The driver board shows us what each driver is currently doing and the status. A really cool feature here is if he has more than one load assigned, when you click on this plus sign, you'll see his pre-planned loads. Now, let's take a look at the invoices feature. Start billing by editing the invoices. The charges we just put in come up, and we can add additional charges at this point. For example, I'll add a number and save it, giving it a new total of $1,500. The capability is there to allow you to add documents and comments to an invoice. Once the invoice is complete, you can print it or email the invoice directly to the customer. You can also download them as a PDF. When you are ready to approve them, just click the box on the left of each invoice and then click Approve to remove them from the list. By the way, this is an optional setting. If you prefer, you can skip this Approve step and send them directly to Accounts Receivable. Now they are in the approved list. You can make changes here if you need to. You can check the box on the left to select one or all of the invoices and then choose to bill invoices. At this point, the invoices will go to QuickBooks. They are removed from the approved invoice screen once they are billed and can be found then in Accounts Receivable. Here you select your customer and it will pull up all of the invoices that have not been paid or have only been partially paid. Let's enter the payment details and mark it as paid. It will leave a balance of 0. It's also possible to edit the invoice at this point. In fact, you've got the option to edit your invoice, print, email, or look at the invoice history or any documents associated with it. Once processed, it is considered finalized. The cash receipt is also posted in QuickBooks. Let's take a look at a driver settlement report. You'll see here the different items, deductions, pay, and then the amount. If you want to include all of these items on a settlement, you just select them all. The center section at the bottom of the list showing the totals creates a running tally as you check and uncheck items. Those amounts change accordingly. Choose Print to download the settlement statement in PDF format to print it or email the statement. When you save this settlement screen, it moves the selected items to settlement history and sends the invoice to QuickBooks for payment if applicable. You can then go to the Save Driver Settlement Sheets to see old settlement sheets, and you can also print and email them from that screen as well. One of our newest features to be added to Horizon Web is the Easy Sort Reports module. Let me show you exactly how it got its name. Now just drag a column heading to the top to Easy Sort Your Report. Let's watch that one more time. With the click of a button, you can print your report or export it to Excel or as a PDF. How about we do a quick load analysis report and let you see this in action? As a Horizon Web customer, your reporting process could be this easy every single day. The Horizon Go Drivers app allows the driver to be a participating partner in the dispatching and hours of service process. Drivers can receive assignments, view current driver hours, and upload load status in real time. Horizon Go integrates with both Horizon Web and Horizon Desktop. It offers a real-time connection, complete visibility, and updating ability. Let's take a look at Arrive Shipper. This is the first check call for each load. Complete this check call when you arrive at the shipper, edit the check call to modify the date or time of arrival if needed, and then you click on Complete to save and answer the confirmation message. This is the Depart Shipper screen. Complete this check call when you leave the shipper. From this screen, the driver can edit load information such as pieces and weight, or drop an empty trailer and pick up a loaded one. Select the Messages icon in Horizon Go to send and receive free form messages to dispatch. After sending and receiving, messages will be displayed like a chat conversation. For loads with one pickup and one delivery, the next check call to send will be the Arrive Consignee. Complete this check call when you arrive at the final destination. Once you complete the Arrive Consignee screen, the next check call will be Depart Consignee. The last check call for the load is Depart Consignee. If you need to edit information, this would be the place to do that. If you're dropping the trailer here, click on Drop Loaded Trailer button, and this will result in 2 updates to the load. A check call will be marked for Depart Consignee Delivered, and a trailer will be unassigned. You can request a signature right there from the Horizon Go app. The driver will sign with a finger or a stylus and then record their signature. This will be sent digitally to you and remain in the file. The Horizon software suite integrates with many of your favorite software vendors. If there is one not listed, let us know and we will happily look into it for you. Contact Melton Technologies to discuss your dispatch needs today.